Hi everyone. I'm making this testimonial for John Elliott. I have been a student of John Elliott for a very long time, and under his training, I just got married recently with a girl who is better, who has a better look scale than me. And I'm not sharing any pics right now because I'm not comfortable to share my pics in his channel or his website. But if you want to see my old lay pics, you can check out other videos. So last year, I took in 2020, I took Elite 60 training under John, and I also took John Elite Access training. So these trainings have changed my life. Like these are very powerful training. I learned a lot of high income skills and how to be productive, how to change your life, how to get more salary, and of course how to be better at dating. So because of him only, I was able to find someone I like, and I married. I was able to find a girl who I like, and we got married recently. So, so this is for all the Indian students for all the Indian students who are suffering in their dating life. So John has the exact algorithm. Like he knows exactly how Indian guys can succeed in dating life. If you are an Indian guy, I am quite sure you are suffering in your dating life, right? Especially if you are an Indian guy in Western world. So John has a very specific formula for that, and I applied his formula, and I got success, and I got a lot of success. I got a lot of lace under him, and of course I just got married recently. So for Indian guys, for example, Indian guys have a variable SMV. Like for example, the if you are a white guy, you have 10 out of 10, like based on your race, right? If you consider your race, like there is something called as status based on your race. So white guys have 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 points. They get 10 out of 10 points. But Indian guys, they get only 2 out of 10 points. But Indian guys have variable SMV. John told me that if you are an Indian guy, you are 2 out of 10, but you can raise your SMV by working on your hairstyle and by working on your dressing sense, by dressing properly. Like this blazer, John selected for me. Like you can see the watch, John selected for me. So these things, they raise your value, and it's easier for you to succeed in dating life. Now, one more thing for Indian guys, which only John has figured out. It's like Indian guys, they can look like a different race. Like initially, like I look like a Middle Eastern guy. So what John did was he selected a specific dress for me, and using that dress, I started looking like a Middle Eastern guy. So my points based upon my race, they are now 6 out of 10, right? Like a white guy has 10 out of 10, a Middle Eastern guy has 6 out of 10, Indian guy has 2 out of 10. But he selected a dress for me in such a way that now I look like a Middle Eastern guy. So now I get 6 out of 10 points based on my race. So that's a magic which only John can do this. So for every Indian guy, right? Every Indian guy, you should come to John. You should raise your status, because no matter how much you work hard, right? No matter how much books you read, how much courses you join, what to say, what not to say, using pickup lines, all those things, they are not going to work until and unless you increase your status. So Indian guys, you should come to John. He will increase your status. He will make you look like a different race, and he will increase your points. For example, if you don't look like a different race, but if you are very properly whitewashed, if you dress nicely, you can raise your you will get 4 out of 10 points, or maybe 5 out of 10 points, right? So this is why I highly recommend John. His programs, Elite 60 and John Elite Access, they have changed my life. They have changed many lives. And before getting married, believe me or not, guys, I got laid with every race. I got laid with a girl belonging to every other race, like a white girl, a Latina girl, Asian girl. I also pulled black girl. Everyone. I got laid with every other race. But since most of the guys they don't want to have a playboy lifestyle, they want to settle down. That's why I took a decision, and under John's training, I found a partner who I can. I found someone, and I got married recently. So sorry for my broken English, but and what else? So yeah, and in addition to this, during COVID, right? During COVID, uh, I was going to lose my job. So John told me about how I can. He taught me sales skills and high income skills, and he told me what exactly I should do to save my job. So I did exactly that. I used the sales skills which he taught me during Elite 60. Then he also told me what are the high income skills I should focus on. And then I did not lose my job, and then he helped me. So what happened was I did not lose my job, and currently I'm working in that job. And during COVID, I'm earning a good salary. This is only because of John. Like otherwise, I would have to get the monthly paycheck from Canadian government if John would have not been there. So what else? What else John has helped me? He and follow his, and for John, like use his exact formula. Like he has very specific formula for every guy. So when you contact him, he will tell you what to do, what not to do. Just follow his guidance, and you will get laid. Like there is no chance he won't get laid. You follow his formula, you get laid. As simple as that. It's like he has a specific algorithm for every student of every race based on his looks, height, muscles, everything. He told me about. I also followed his workout plan, and it worked very nicely. He also told me about some, especially for Indian guys who have Indian accent. Indian accent. He helped me. My accent was worse. My vocal communication skills, they were worse than before. So he told me how to work on my accent, how to work on my vocal skills. So all these things helped in succeeding in my dating life. So so the accent training, I did not follow it properly, but if you follow the accent training by John, you will sound like an English guy, like an American guy. Now just imagine an Indian guy who has an Indian accent, and an Indian guy who has a Western accent, who is talking like an American guy, who has a higher value, right? An Indian guy with American accent. So John has specific programs for that. He knows how you can work on your accent. I did not do it because of laziness. I'm like one of his worst students. He calls me an impossible case, but it works. Whatever training he says, it works. Like I followed only 20 to 30% of his training. Like 60 to 70% of his training I did not follow. So still I got so much results. Now just imagine if I had worked harder and follow his training step by step without any resisting. If I was very teachable, then I could have I could have had more success, right? So always, so if you are a student of John, if you are suffering in your dating life, even if you think you are having any problems, even if you think you don't have high income skills, you're not able to find a job or anything, go to John. He knows what you can do right now to make money, to survive during COVID. In fact, he's the only dating coach who got guys results during COVID. Like guys, many of my friends who are training under John, they got laid during COVID. So it's a magic. Only John can do that. So don't resist. Just contact John right now. He's like your best friend. And sometimes I had many problems. I faced many problems in my career, in my life, and many things. John was always there to help. He will deliver more than he will charge you. Like for John Elite Access, we are supposed to ask one question only, right? But sometimes when I'm in some problem, he will spend at least 1 to 2 hours with me to give me a solution. So nobody does that, right? So guys, just contact John, join his program, join Skype calls, John Elite Access. He likes to help people. He does not care about money, right? I could have lost my job right now. Like I would have been jobless. In fact, I was going to be kicked out of my apartment. Like 1 month back, I got a notice that I need to leave my apartment. But John helped me, and under his training, I was not kicked out of my apartment, and I got my job back, and I also got married. So follow him. He will be a good mentor and a very good friend. And sometimes he is very harsh. Sometimes you may not like his language, but it's good. It's because he wants us to take action, right? He has to be strict. He has to be harsh, so that his students take action, right? So that's why he's the best mentor you can train under him. Like he's the best mentor you can find in this world. He's the best dating coach in the world, no matter what. Like you can never find someone who's better than him. If you're an Indian guy, there is a specific algorithm which John knows, which there's a specific algorithm for Indian guys, Asian guys, Latino guys, all type of guys. And using that algorithm, he will get you results. You will get laid in your dating life. He will directly get you results. Just follow him. So again, I'm telling you, I was going to get fired by my company. I was going to lose my apartment, and because of John, I got my job back. I did not lose the apartment. I was not kicked out, and I got married. I'm just telling this again. Otherwise, I don't know what would have happened to me. So whatever he predicts, right? In 3-4 months, this is going to happen. This is going to happen. It turns out to be true. Like in he will tell me, okay, after 4 months, this will happen. This will happen. You will get results in 4 months or 6 months, or after 4 months, you are going to have some problem in your life, or in next 3-4 months, you are going to whatever he says, right? It turns out to be correct. Every 3-4 months, it turns out to be correct, right? So never ignore his advice. And also, whenever I ignored his advice, it was in my face. I like in 3-4 months, whatever he told, it was correct. Like it blew up in my face. Whatever he told, if I do not agree with him, after 3-4 months, it blows up in my face. It turns out to be true. So I think he has some kind of psychic powers. I'm telling this seriously, but whatever he says, it turns out to be true. Everything is based on statistics, algorithms, and facts. There is no unnecessary bluff or anything. The hairstyle, your workout plan, how to raise your height using elevator shoes, right? How to look like a different race. Like I now look like a Middle Eastern guy, right? How to work on your accent. I did not do that, but I regret not doing that. Like maybe I should work on my accent. I should have worked on my accent more. Social skills. And it's not about game also, right? Like John is the only coach who tells it's not about game. It's about your social skills, your emotional intelligence, how you can talk to random people, how you can be comfortable talking to a person. All these things, they add up. And once you add this thing, it's like a stack. He will tell you to start taking some action and start building. And when you contact John, and if you have any problem, and if you're not happy with your dating life, he will tell you what to do. And it will be like a stack. Like one by one, if you start following his advice, it will be like a stack building on top of each other. And then you will get success. Then you will get a lot of success. Like just follow his advice. Don't resist whatever he's telling. He has a specific program for specific guy. Like if you go to John, he will know where exactly you need to work on. Do you need to work on your height or muscles, or you need to work out more? Do you need to work on your hairstyle, dressing skills, maybe high income skills? Sometimes you need high income skills to succeed in dating life, right? So he will tell you what exactly you need to do based on where you are. So he knows more about his students more than students about themselves, right? He knows more about the students than the student themselves. So just follow his advice. It will be a custom advice made for you based on your situation, based on your race, based on wherever you are right now. And you will always go up from that. So, yeah, this was my testimonial for John Elliott. I hope it helps you and I hope you join him. Just save some money and join his coaching. You will be you will thank me, you will thank him later. This will be the one of the best decisions of your life. Believe me, guys. Getting mentored by John is the best decision I made in my life, and I hope you also make this decision. Hi everyone. So I'm making this video for John Elliott. So there had been some recent accusations against John that he is racist towards Indians. So I want to clarify that all these accusations are false and baseless. I'm one of his Indian students and he has never been racist to me and he has never done anything which goes against human rights. John has many Indian students and he is the only coach in the world, right, who has got Indian students results in the Western world. So I want to say it again, all the accusations are false. And John, he really cares about his students. It does not matter they are Indian, Asian, or whatever. He cares about all his students, right? And he gets them results, right? The person who is attacking John, right? I'm not sure, like he might be a troll or a hater, right? So he's finding small faults, right? And he's making a big exaggeration and he's overblowing everything, right? So I just want to say that don't believe that person, okay? And look at John's videos um, and look at his Indian students. They will tell you that how much he cares about you, how much he cares about his students. And John, he might be, if you read his blogs, right, and if you look at his YouTube videos, he might sound a bit tough, right? He might sound a bit harsh, but in reality, he has a very good character. He's always there to help you. If you want, you can contact him anytime. He will always be there to help you, right? And and yes, so yeah, that's what I had to say.